channel. This is your girl Peaches October. I'm here today very excited bringing you this golden eyes that I'm loving so much with this blonde hair. Yes, platinum blonde. Just spicing it up for you guys today. I hope that you love the look, and if you are interested in seeing how I created this look, keep watching.
First thing first, ladies, we need to make sure that those eyeshadows pop. So for that, we need to prime our lids, and I'm just using a concealer from Tarte Cosmetics in 10 Cent, and I blend it out with a blending brush. Now moving on, we're going to go to the JUVIA'S Place Warrior palette, and the shade Mino is what I just pulled down using the taper blending brush, and then I followed that with the shade and that was just to tame it down a little. Then I went into the James Charles Terms Morphe palette, and I picked the purple shade, the purple, I believe. And then I also went in with the magenta shade, which is the pinkish looking shade. It's called Love That, and that purple shade is called Escape. And so I went in there and just continued to blend those shades out to make sure that they got seamlessly and radiantly blended out, if I can say that. And so I also went in with the same concealer and cut my crease. Now back to the JUVIA'S Place Warrior palette. I picked the shade Bakwa and the shade Dihami. The names of these shadows are challenging. So I picked the shade Ada, and I'm just filling in my lids with it. And then I also picked the shade Bakwa, and also went in the middle of my lid with it. And then to soften the purple shade and the brown shade that I laid down, I went ahead and used the magenta shade that I was talking about from the Morphe palette. So this is just a glitter liner from Profusion Cosmetics, and I'm using that along with this glitter from Dazzling Creations. It is a brand on Instagram. I first got introduced to this brand by Vanessa Monet here on YouTube. She's also on Instagram, and then I got to meet the girl that had, that launched the glitters, and she's a nice person, so you guys want to check her out. Yes, the name of her business is Dazzling Creations on Instagram. So then I went in with a pop of color there. Like I said, I used that Dihami shade to kind of blend in the gold, and I thought that really brought the look to another level. And so to finish up my eyelid, I went in with my Covergirl mascara. I also took my liquid eyeliner from Sephora, and this was recommended by Kiki. Well, she didn't recommend it, but she uses it in her videos. Kiki Adams here on YouTube. I'm gonna put her name on the screen. And I used that to line my waterline. Moving on, went in with my favorite lashes from Amazon, the Arison brand, Arison Lashes, and my favorite lash glue. That one can be purchased from Sephora. It has been working with me well, helping me to have my lashes in place. Now this foundation we're talking about today that I'm using, the first time I tried it, I did not like it, but today I love the way it all blended out. Now this is what I did. First time I tried it, it was just a wear test, and I did not like the outcome. I did use a primer and all of that, but I don't know, and I even set the foundation, but I don't know what happened. Anyway, it is the Becca SKINLOVE foundation in the shade Maple. That's what I used today. And for concealer to highlight under my eye, I went in with my Covergirl. I think it's a L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and also the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And then also went in with my Black Opal foundation stick in Truffle, I believe. But mind you, it looks orange as an orange corrector on camera, but that is not the true transformation. It's showing a little bit orangey, but it is actually brown. It has a yellow undertone, but it does looks brown. And so I didn't want to go with a dark contour, so I decided to use that shade. And at the end of the day, I just like the way it blended in with my foundation. I do have smile lines, and nowadays you're gonna see me setting my smile lines, I should say. But man, it is a whole nother game to blend. It's so tiring. But anyway, I got done blending my face, and I love the way it looks. Now I took my Souffle Declared powder, I think that's how it is called. I'll leave the details down below, of course. And I mixed it with Sasha Buttercup. And the reason I did that, it has a pinkish undertone. And the day that I tried it for the first time, it did not work with me. It gave me a flashback. And so I decided to use it together with my Sasha Buttercup. And whew, they're both match made from heaven. But anyway, yes, so the rest of the tutorial is just repetitive. What I did on the top of my eyes is what I'm doing on the bottom. Sticking my hair down before I complete the look. I decided to do that this time, just to see where my face was as far as what I needed to add on or what have you or what not. And so I'm just using a blow dryer with the got to be glue spray. I know my sister always asks me, and I told her the got to be glue spray can be used alone, and so basically that's what I did. Now eyes are done, lashes are on. It's time to bronze those cheeks, and I'm using Maui Nuts from Becca Cosmetics. I love this bronzer so much, and I was so obsessed with it. But every time we have new products, we forget the old ones. But anyway, for blush, I went in the James Charles palette, and I took that blush color. Well, it's a shadow, but I used it as blush, and look, it was so pigmented. I was like, woo. But yeah, so setting my face with MAC's Fix Plus Fluid, and then for highlight I used the Your Treat from Raine. Yeah, that's the name of the highlighter, Your Treat. It's a beautiful golden highlighter for chocolate girls. Yeah, I used that. And then to set my all over face, I went in with my MAC Cosmetics Dark Tan Mineralize Skin Finish, and that's the one that I'm just patting on my face and making sure that everything looks good. For lip liner, it is the MAC Cosmetics BitterSweet lip liner, and for the lipstick that I use in this video, it is from Covergirl, including the liquid lipstick. Didn't like the first color, so I went in with a liquid lipstick, and yes, it did bring out the look the way that I wanted it to. But the two names of those lipsticks will be listed down below, because I don't remember the name. Well, that's it for the look today. I hope you guys have fun watching. I hope you learned something, and if you did, comment, like, and subscribe. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, YouTube.